Here's a quick video on how to fix the triggers on your controller. From what I understand, there's magnets in here that come apart. So we're going to pop these side things off. And unscrew 5 star screws. These have the center pin in them. If you don't have a star screw with a hollow center pin, security pin, then you can use a screwdriver if it fits in there to break off the little security pin in the center, and then be able to use a regular star bit, whatever they're called. Peel the sticker back. Access the center screw. And guys, when you put this back together, hand tighten with just the bit itself is sufficient. You don't need to use a screwdriver. Wow, sure enough. So here's a little shrink wrap on this side with the magnet under the trigger, and the RT button has a magnet under it also that's fallen down in here with the small screw attached to it that came from somewhere, from right here. So these magnets tend to fall from dropping the remote or throwing the remote, and they break off, and this is all it's going to take. So basically just take a bit of super glue, any kind of glue you have that's strong, and glue this back on. With the magnet side facing downwards, and put your remote back together, and you should be good to go. Tighten your screws hand tight with the bit. Good luck.